Hello everyone in Cyber World. Welcome back to another video. I'm Jennifer.
And I'm Richard, and this is our channel we call Poor Man's DIY. Starting this week, we're going to try something a little bit different. We've had several large projects that we've been working on, and now we have gotten to a project that we've been putting off for several years now. We've been wanting to do this room, which is the last room of the house that we haven't touched at all. It's pretty bad in our opinion, but it probably should have been something we should have done first, but we had various reasons for putting it off. The room that we're going to be working on is renovating the master bedroom's bathroom.
The reason that we held off on this bathroom project for so long is we wanted to find the perfect tile that suits both of us and our style in the bathroom.
Just recently, we came across something that turns out to be extremely boringly plain, but it just was something that we liked, and so we went with it. So now that we've purchased that, we're ready to go. But also one of the other reasons that we've held on for so long is we wanted to do a walk-in shower. Unfortunately, I've done a lot of videos involving plumbing, but I'm not super comfortable with working with some valves. One of the main reasons for it is several years back in our other home, we had plumbers actually come in and they renovated the bathroom, and they put in a walk-in shower. About a day after they completed it, downstairs, our living room, the ceiling just got soaking wet, and we knew that there was a problem. Turns out that the pipes that were installed burst, and it was just pouring throughout the house. Ultimately, we had to have the plumbers come back, and one of the workers was kind enough to admit he tightened it, and it must have over-tightened, and it caused the break. We figured, well, if a professional can make a mistake like that, it was an honest mistake, no big deal. They fixed it. It took a while to do it, but nonetheless, if a professional can cause a problem like that, I didn't want to take a chance on it ourselves. So we did have part of this done by a professional, but the rest of it we plan on doing ourselves. Also, the other problem that we really ran into was the cost. We received numerous quotes, and they wanted to renovate this little bathroom for a cost of over $10,000. And it's like, this is just nuts. So we figured, well, we'll do as much as we can on our own, and we're going to be keeping the cost down as much as possible. So it's not going to be a 100% renovation. We're going to show you the things that we're going to do and how we're going to be cutting costs. Now, the main difference that we're going to do, this is going to be more like a vlog rather than a how-to. I know that some of the things that I've got planned and how we're going to install things may be a little bit overkill. Maybe some may look at it and say that's not the proper way of doing it. We just wanted something that looked a little bit nicer, so a lot of it's going to be cosmetics. We're not professionals. We know that some of the things that we're going to be doing might have some issues, but we were going to make sure that everything is sealed up and double sealed and triple sealed as best we can, and hopefully things will work out for us. So we're going to go over this every week, and we'll show you phase by phase the things as we complete them. So let's go ahead and get started on the video.
We hope you enjoyed this upcoming series of videos. Now let's get started.
But wait, don't forget, if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button below. Leave a comment at the end if you enjoy it, and hit the like button. It helps our channel grow. Now on to the build.
This is all we have for part 1 of our series, but until we meet again,
Bye-bye.
bye-bye.